All right, the basic question for standard form of quadratics doing key features. So we are supposed to find the y-intercept, the direction of opening, and the end behavior of the function. So when we look at this quadratic, a is -2, c is +3, and b is -8. I really only need those, the a and the c, for what we're doing here. The y-intercept, remember we get those by plugging in x equals 0, but if I plug x equals 0 into the standard form, the only thing that's going to survive is the c value. Everything else is going to be 0. So when x is 0, y is 3. Test it out. -2 times 0 squared minus 8 times 0 plus 3. That's going to get me 0 minus 0 plus 3, which is 3. So my y-intercept is 0, 3. Hopefully we can just look at that and see what the y-intercept needs to be. Don't really need that. The direction of opening is determined by looking at a. If a is negative, it's going to open downward. It's going to be one of these that goes down. So it opens downward because a is negative. That's all we need to look at. And the last thing is the end behavior. Well, look, because it opens downward on both the left end and the right end, the y values are going to -infinity. So as x goes to -infinity, in other words, as we follow that graph to the left, the y values are going down forever. As we go to the right, in other words, as x goes to infinity, the y values are going to -infinity on that right end as well because they're both going down. So there's our end behavior. And we are done.